everyone, welcome back for day 6 of the advent calendar made for me by Lozzie Creates. Again, all the links for her are down below. She does journaling, she does other crafts, she does like ASMR things and openings, so go ahead and check her out. She made me a advent calendar. Each day I get a different number with a clue and something in it. I already know what this is, guys. I knew it without reading the clue, but the clue says that you can't guess what this is. I know, I spoiled you. Have fun. If you follow me on my Twitch channel, you know this shape. And my favorite thing to do over there, I'll give you like a couple seconds here if you want to put it down below. If you want to take a guess, go ahead and guess. Let's see. Okay, give you a few more seconds, and okay, my guess is that it's a paper nanocube. Paper nanocube. And for those of you who don't know what a nanocube is, this is a nanocube. It's a nice little box, perfect shape, right? And it has a craft inside. It's a paper craft, and this one here happens to be done. This is Ponyo. See that? Look at that. Isn't it so cute? I made this on my Twitch channel. On Saturdays I usually craft. So that was made on there. It took me a couple hours. And actually I leave it open and then I sit it on top of the box. So it makes a nice little prop for it. But let's get into it. Let's see what it is. See if I was right. If you guys were right. It is the boat from Ponyo. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Lots of grass, of course. Oh, I am excited. So you guys, if you want to see me make this, you're gonna have to follow me on my Twitch channel. Everything's down below for you. Here, let me give you guys a closer look so you can see. And when it's done, it's going to be more of like a 2D, 3D kind of look, like this. So that's it for day 6. Again, follow Lozzie, and stay tuned, because tomorrow I'll have more, because I've got up until Christmas to open. I will see you guys then.